Congratulations again. I'm so glad you're inside the code. Now, a couple very important steps. Make sure that you save the link below. This is going to be your login link. So save it to your bookmarks on your desktop, on your laptop, on your cell phone. You're going to be coming back to this link to log into the members area forever and access all of the video training content, all of the PDFs, the trackers, the scorecards, and the scripts. So it's very important. In addition to that, make sure that you star or whitelist, whatever it's called. I'm not super techie, my email address so that you make sure that you get all the emails I'm going to be sending out while you're in this 19-part video series and beyond. I'm going to be sending special bonuses when we do live events and stuff like that, so it's imperative that you make sure that you're getting all of the emails. Now, we also have a couple spots left for Miami, and if you missed the one-time offer as you jumped into the code, please send me an email right away within the next 24 hours so I can get you your special discount link to our next intensive, which is currently Crush City. It's going to be Miami 2019. So if you want an awesome Crush City t-shirt, you want some special training bonuses, and we're going to have 2 days that we go completely in depth, way beyond what we'll be able to do inside the code. Now, don't get me wrong. You're going to have all the tools and resources you need to crush it in wholesale real estate inside the code. But if you're serious, you're committed, and you want to do everything possible that you can to absolutely crush it and get more deals right away, you've got to be in Miami. In fact, new Cold Calling on Steroids students, Marco and Steven, were 1 week into Cold Calling on Steroids, and they got their first deal. It came on their 8th lead just this last week. It was an $18,500 profit on this deal. So what would it be like to have one of those coming in next week? Well, inside the code, you're going to have the opportunity to join in on the Cold Calling on Steroids private masterclass for 80% off. So make sure you check out that bonus live training that we did in Park City, Utah a couple months ago, and then jump into the Cold Calling on Steroids masterclass. Take advantage of that 80% discount. Guys, enjoy the code. I hope to see you in CCOS. I hope to see you in Miami. And definitely make sure you're getting all of our emails and that you save this login link below. Crush City, guys. Peace, love, and real estate.